Dede Nalangi returns to the number 8, and with a 6-2 split on the bench, intentions are clear. This will be a battle of the forwards.
2 changes in the back line sees Nundrunga native, Wanga Nalanga replace Veli Momo on the wing. Frank Lamani back in the number 9 jersey. The 44 cap veteran will be buzzing for today, especially playing against his old club. His leadership out there will be vitally important.
Head-to-head, they've played 4 games. The Rebels have won 2 on their home track in Melbourne. The Drua have won 2.
The boy from Yeovil in the 7 jersey, Brad Wilkin, and Rob Leota at number 8.
Ryan Lawrence starts at 9, partners with Jake Strawn. Derby Lancaster moves to the left wing, who will be joined by Andrew Callaway, who's on the right. But keep an eye out for former Lumbasa striker in the number 13 jersey, Filippo Daungunu. A big game for him today. He gets the opportunity to play in front of his family, who have made the trip across from Vanua level.
5 tries this season for Filippo Daungunu. So much at stake here for the Drua as they kick off in Lautoka. The Rebels allowed to bounce. Lancaster getting back there. As the crowd starts to get behind the local team. There's Kevin Valentini. Advantage being played, so they don't have to be all that adventurous. Yet they can be patient. Vode. 5 out. Darren Alungi, they try and push it through their hands. Over the top it goes. Joel Assessi, and he has got the Lunga in the corner. Did he get it down? Wonga the Lunga. They're claiming the try. This young man starting on the left wing. He missed last week through injury.
With the grounding.
Fiji Sevens successful in the first game in Madrid as well against New Zealand. That was a good confidence-boosting win. Now here's the shot coming from the Melbourne Rebels. They've got advantage. They're getting very close.
Just wait, just wait. Time off. Time off. Okay, I'm just going to come to you on this. I've just got an on-field decision, no try. I think the number 8 has actually knocked that ball on before he's grounded it.
Okay, we'll just check. Yeah. Potentially number 9 blue as well, whether he's onside or offside, and potential penalty try.
Yeah, I just want to see what he does there.
So maybe Frank Lamani is in a bit of trouble here as well.
Okay, I just want to see what 9 blue does.
Was he offside?
Just keep rolling these angles, please. I'm trying to see. Yeah, this is our best angle. Slow this right down, please.
I don't see a clear kick there. I need 9. Yeah, 9. Because what we've got is he's offside when he's actually kicked the ball. So it's, no, he's offside. So it's going to be a yellow card and a penalty try.
Penalty try to the Melbourne Rebels.
It was a dominant scrum from the Rebels, and not many people have seen that, but Brad Wilkin really helped Daniela Tupou stay square on that to be able to get that shove.
I believe that's gone forward off blue, so play advantage.
The inside ball, and up over halfway goes Angelo Smith. Oh, what a carry. Family and friends in the stands here as well.
9.
Here's a kick across now for Andrew Callaway. Clear under the line, Callaway! And the Rebels go bang, bang.
Yeah, they've just gone back-to-back, the Rebels. Outstanding width held there from Andrew Callaway. Drua defenders were pretty tight in that midfield.
And this one trying to come around. And it does. So it is 14 points to 5. Salawa.
Onside, boys.
They rush up on him. But Toi Salia can't find a way through. Darren Alungi out the back. Valentini. Rabu Talmunda over the top. It goes, and it is trap time for Joel Assessi and the Fijian Drua.
That's a great lead-up for the Fijian Drua. And I reckon you have to put it down to Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula. They're playing in at a half-back. It's not quite as quick as Frank when he gets there, but it's just allowing the Drua forwards to get into their shape nice and early. They're retaining their ball.
There's the angle, and he's got it. Out the back it goes, Strong. Mason Gordon trying to dummy. The arm is out again. Advantage has been played, but they won't need it because it is a try to Josh Cannon. He slams it down, and the Rebels extend the lead. Salawa. Wilkin races up and shuts him down. Bongay, couple of metres out. Lamani waits. Out the back it goes. And now Marcy, he's over! Yosefo Marcy.
You're definitely not stopping Yosefo Marcy that close to the line.
He's about 10 in from touch. There's the angle, and this one, will it come round? Yes, it will. Over it goes, and so it is 19 all in Lautoka.
As they got over the Panasonic Wild Knights, where Marika Korombete is, and former Wallaby coach Robbie Deans.
Yeah, your old club?
Old club, the Wild Knights.
Probably missed you, mate.
Second half is underway. Mason Gordon starting, and it's been knocked back. So who's it going to fall for? It's going to fall for the Drua. That's who. Antonio Wonga is there. Good strong run. Natame into the 22. What a run from the big man. Now can they finish it off out wide? Here's Marcy. Got a ball away. Doa Sessi. And what about the start to the second half? Celestino. Ravu Taumanda.
Stop that, Drua. How good. What a start.
The flying Fijian coming back from a serious knee injury.
It looked like the bloke that was in the commentary box not that long ago as well.
Straight through goes Marcy. They stand off him. The bounce is good for Nalanga. Wonga Nalanga. Try to the Fijian Drua. The young man has got a double.
The bounce pass, the most underrated pass in the game. Everyone stops when the ball goes to ground. But Yosefo Marcy, that man again.
Offside.
Canavari pops it up. 6 or 7 metres out the Drua. Canavari is out wide. He's only a metre out. They're over. It is a try. And it is Frank Lamani who caught them napping. He likes it. The crowd likes it. And they hit 40 all of a sudden. Lawrence floats one over to Gordon. He hands it off and it's been charged down and it's been picked up by Whanakai Vata and the Drua. And it's Vode! And he runs the Fijian Drua into their second straight quarter-final, just their third year. What an incredible outcome.
Okay.
On the 20-metre.
Obviously, on-field decision is try, but just checking a knock-on over here, mate, in the lead-up within 2 phases.
Well, the television match official can check within 2 phases.
That one there. Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you mean. Is that the knock-on you're talking about, mate?
Yes, that's a clear knock-on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just get it for you.
No try. Knock-on. We're going back there to the scrum.
All at home.
Knock on into touch. Game.
The Fijian Drua have done it. They had to win to be in the playoffs. 19 all at half-time. An amazing start to the second half. Rebels unable to score any points in that second spell.